Augmentiqs is focused on transforming the existing microscope into a smart and connected device. The hardware is integrated into the existing microscope, so there's no change to the equipment. While the user is looking through the existing microscope, they're able to make annotations, compare a digital image to what's actually being viewed. We're taking out a live image of the region of interest, and then the users are able to come in and decide which software application do they want to use in their workflow. The idea behind Augmentiqs came for the field of pathology. The idea was to augment the workflow of the pathologist. If they want to integrate cell counting or other type of image analysis on the tissue sample, they could just come in, choose that specific software application. All the information that's being looked at by the pathologist inside the microscope could be automatically put into the electronic health records. Participation in Luminate has brought value and will continue to bring value to Augmentiqs. Introducing us to business development, optics professionals, it's a win-win. We are so focused on listening to the needs of the market. When we hear feedback from pathologists, we'll make an immediate change to the product itself. The success of the company has come from listening to the needs of the market and not from trying to dictate to the market what they need. The microscope is great, but we can just make it a little bit better.